Hey, this is Scott and Amie from the Road Roamers, and we just got to Sal's Pizza. It's brand new, just opened up tonight. It's here on Delectable Parkway in near what now?
It's O-Town West.
Yes.
So you're kind of in the Dr. Phillips area.
Yeah.
It's kind of partway between Disney Springs, downtown Disney. I will never stop calling it that, sorry. Yeah. And Universal. So
we heard that it's really going to be really good pizza, all freshly made ingredients.
Good ingredients.
Yeah, so
New York style.
We can't wait to try it, and we'll show you a little bit of the inside, and then we'll talk about it when we're done.
Absolutely.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey everybody, we're at Sal's Pizza Bar here in...
It's the O-Town West.
Yeah.
New development here, and there are slowly opening things, but there's Publix, there's a Gators Dockside, there's actually a bunch of stuff coming. But this is the newest opened, and so it was opening day today, and we got to come and experience, and oh my gosh, if you like New York pizza, you are going to love Sal's.
It is unreal. Everything's fresh, all fresh ingredients. Amazing pizza.
Yeah. So we had a bunch of us come today. I think we couldn't all fit in one table. I think there was 10 of us.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
But the place was packed.
So full. The place
Opening
was packed. It was great. It is great. So if you live anywhere in this area, you're going to want to try this because it is fantastic.
Definitely.
And we want to come back and we're going to try. They have other things like eggplant parm and lasagna and things.
It's like the Dr. Phillips area.
Yes.
So if you're familiar with Dr. Phillips,
right.
it's in this area.
Right. So. It's on Delectable Parkway.
Yeah.
So that should be familiar if you're in the area. It's not too far from downtown Disney, not too far from Universal. It's a great location. Excellent.
Yeah. If you're at Disney or any of the parks and stuff like that, and you want really good pizza, check it out.
And it's huge.
Yes, it's great.
Huge.
All right. We'll see you on the road, guys.
Absolutely.